If you're a small business owner and you're constantly bouncing between ChatGPT, Canva, and social media schedulers just to keep up with content, Blaze AI might actually be worth it. I tested it, and honestly, it feels like having a mini marketing assistant in one dashboard. It learns your brand voice just by scanning your website, then helps create blogs, social posts, emails, ads, even repurposing one piece of content into multiple formats. The biggest win? Time savings. If content creation is eating up your week, Blaze can easily save you 10 hours or more. Now, it's not perfect. Sometimes the content feels a little generic, so you'll still want to make quick edits before posting. And the monthly credit limits can feel restrictive if you're creating a lot. Pricing starts at $79 a month, or about $2 a day if billed longer term, which is way cheaper than hiring a freelancer or agency. So, quick verdict. If you're a solopreneur, e-commerce brand, or a local business trying to stay active online without a full marketing team, Blaze AI is absolutely worth trying. It's less of a content generator and more like an automated marketing system.